Hello everyone and welcome to Recipes You Like. In this video, we are making Bharwa Shimla Mirch, or you can call it stuffed Shimla Mirch capsicum. You can have it as a side dish or as a snack. So come, let's get cooking. We'll start by adding a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Let the oil get hot, and when the oil gets hot, we will add in half a teaspoon of cumin, zira, and let the cumin crackle over a low heat for a few seconds. Maintaining heat over a low, we will add in 1 teaspoon of ginger paste or finely chopped ginger and half teaspoon or as per your taste green chili paste. Saute for a few seconds and then add half a teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder, amchur, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon or as per your own taste salt. Maintaining heat over a low, we will roast the spices for 30 seconds to a minute and then add mashed boiled potatoes. These are 6 potatoes, medium sized potatoes. Properly mix in the spices into the potatoes and cook it over a medium to high heat, stirring occasionally. It will hardly take you 2 to 3 minutes in making this, and before switching off, add in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green fresh coriander. Mix, and we will now let this come down to room temperature. Here we have taken 7 small size of Shimla Mirch, capsicum or bell pepper, whatever you call it. Take out the crown portion using the tip of your knife and make little space inside for the filling. We have not taken out too much of the inner part or the membrane, whatever it is called. If you want, you can remove it totally. Then stuff the capsicums. It can take in about 1 small size of potato inside. Like this, fill it up to the top or the edge. Do the same with all the capsicums. You see, all of them are ready and filled. Let's move on to the next step. Next, to give a crisp coating to these stuffed capsicums, we will take 1/3 cup of corn flour and 1/3 cup of rice flour, along with 1/4 cup of gram flour, that is besan. To flavor it up, add half a teaspoon of onion, even called as black cumin seeds, half teaspoon of ajwain, that is carom seeds, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder or red chili paste or as per your taste. Mix and then adding water, we will make a thick batter here. Add little water at a time. Don't add too much of water at once or there might form lumps in the batter. Total here we used about 3/4 cup of water to make this batter. After the batter gets ready, we will dip this stuffed Shimla Mirch in this batter and completely coat the Shimla Mirch with the batter, and then roll the batter coated Shimla Mirch in breadcrumbs to make the outer layer crispy. To make this stuffed Shimla Mirch more crispy, you can repeat this step twice. That is, after rolling the Shimla Mirch in breadcrumbs, you can again coat it with the batter and then again roll it in the breadcrumbs before dropping it into this hot oil. Fry over a low to medium heat, and then after one side is done, flip it upside down to fry on the other side also. Strain out when it's crispy golden brown. To get a little zingy flavor, you can sprinkle little black salt or chaat masala or chili flakes as per your liking and taste. Serve these stuffed capsicum balls hot with tomato ketchup or sauce. Do try out the recipe, giving your feedback and comments in the comment section below. And like, share, subscribe, hitting the bell icon till we meet again. Bye bye.